Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is the unboxing of Colourpop Summer Mystery Box, which cost $49, which surprisingly is always like that. It's rare that it's a little higher or a little lower, but everybody knows that I love mystery boxes. I love to see what goodies I got, and the only thing I did was just open it. That's all I did. I didn't look through anything. See what I got because I want to be surprised and I want to want you to see my reactions and what I do think about this box. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this content. Also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So, let's go. Okay. Mystery box. Like I said, this is Colourpop Summer Mystery Box, which costs $49. I don't know how much all it together is because guess what? It's just a mystery box. I really don't care what's the value of this because it's just getting to the point. You never know. The prices always change. It goes up a little. Blah, 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 blah. Right. So, let's get started. So, what do I see? Different products. But I do see an eyeshadow palette, which I'm very excited about because you guys know I love eyeshadows and I got just my luck. I know I do not have this eyeshadow palette. If I do have the eyeshadow palettes already, of course I'm going to put it in a giveaway or something like that. But this is like their newest packaging and everything. So you got bigger, you have a bigger pans than the smaller ones, which to me, I'm fine with that. But these are so cute. I really like these color selections of these. Definitely gonna play with these. I got an idea I want to do now. I love greens. As you can see, I love greens. I'm playing with greens. I love playing with blues and purples, as you can see in my eyes. But this is something interesting. I'm definitely going to do an eyeshadow look with this. You can do many of eyeshadows. You can make it very basic. You can make it really pretty. I think this would be great for Meant to Be as to pair it up together because they're both greens. One is cooler than the other because the Meant to Be is a more of a cooler tone of shadows, while this one's like a neutral with a little warmness to it. It would be really nice of pair these up too, so that would be great. But I like the formulas of Colourpop. They're really nice, and I really do like them. Okay. The next product I got is the liquid eyeliner. Ooh, I love their liquid eyeliners. I need to play with them more. But this one I got numero uno, and it's both filled tips. So it's a black shade, which, do I need more black eyeliners? Do I need more black eyeliners in my collection? No. But it's your standard black eyeliner. Tell you the truth, I'm not gonna keep this one because, like I said, I have too many black eyeliners that I need to use up before I get any more. But yeah, the formula of these are really nice. I do like them. But I would not keep this one because, you know, I have too many black eyeliners. Don't need a whole lot. But it's nice to see a black eyeliner in this. Next thing we got is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Major Throwback. And it's a cream. It's a cream base. So I don't think I'm going to keep this. I'm just going to open it. That very cool tone. But I'm not going to keep this because I am not a glossy person. I like my matte, satin matte. I love my satins and I love my mattes. It's very rare that I will go for a glossy lip. The next thing we got is the Level Up Lengthening Mascara. I'm going to open it. Of course, it's black. So your basic black mascara. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to keep this because I got my Lash It Loud mascara that I really love from e.l.f. And this is your basic brush. But I'm not going to keep this. So Now we got a strawberry lip balm. Not gonna keep that. It does have strawberry seed oil. No, it's to cover moisturize more. Yeah, that's really nice. Probably give it to somebody. Probably give it to my sister because she likes lip oils and likes things like that anyway. But you never know. She always gets first dibs now because she likes lip oils and everything else. So the next one is Baby Panda, another lip oil. The So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oil. Not gonna keep. Not my thing. I already have my lip plumper, but yeah. Then we have another lip oil, and this one's called Dewdrop. So this is your basic clear one. Not gonna keep that one. I'm not gonna keep it because probably give it to my sister. Maybe she see it. Two more. We got a liquid highlight in the shade Immediately Yes. I don't do liquid highlights. I like my powder highlights. I find them. I'm a matte girl anyway. But someone can have that one because I know my sister won't be using it. And they gave me a liquid blush and the shade Angel Face. So you got two face products, a eyeshadow palette. Then they gave you two more eye products, a mascara and an eyeliner, which is great for the summer. I think this is a great, to me, this is a great summer look. If you're going to do a summer look with this, double thumbs up on that. Great. Then of course you have your a lip balm, which is great for the summer. Don't get me wrong, but for me, lip balms, I like using lip balms for anything like during the winter time. Anyway, because of dry lips, you know. Then your another lip oil. It's a plumping lip oil, and then you have another lip oil, and then you have your glossy lip. Tell the truth, what the heck? Like so many lip products. One product I'm gonna keep is the eyeshadow palette. Wish I can get more. What do I feel for $49? Tell you the truth, yes. For money wise and a good deal, yes. But for me, too many lip products. That's why I have a problem with Colourpop with their mystery boxes. They give you way too many lip products. I want to see more powder brush, like the last box, the spring one I got, the last mystery box I got, that had a great selection to it. I like the selection, but this one is going back to more lip products. Like I understand the summer, like you want that lip, that supple lip, whatever you want to call it, and very glossy lip, yeah. But for me, no, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like this is a miss for me because when I'm thinking about mystery boxes, and I know, mystery boxes for $49, what I think is completely not so many lip products. Like, let me go how many lip products we got. Making sure I don't grab. You got 4 lip products, 2 lip oils, a glossy lip, a lip balm. To me, they should give you like a liquid lipstick or lip liners, at least lip liners. Gel eyeliners, I would like to see that. I would like to see more that they came out with. I really, your 9 eyeshadow palette, that's just basic. I really want to see more than that. I feel like they should have went with like more summery colors, like really bright colors. That's what I feel about it. Will I say, is this worth your money? First, for someone who's starting out with makeup, yes, I do think it is worth the money. But if you're like me, who has a lot of stuff and a good variety of stuff, you want to see something out of like, whoa, wow, this is really great. That's me. I want to see something out of, whatever, right? But But that's about it. For me, it's a miss. For anybody else, could be a hit. Just saying. I'm gonna be honest. It could be it could be a hit for someone, but I feel like this is not it for the summer. But it is what it is. But for $49, it's $49. I'm not mad about it. Hopefully next time they do a mystery box, they actually think about it, not just that is something to just put. I don't know if everybody got the same thing or not, which always people get the same thing. It's never interchangeable. I wish I had like 3 different selections and they just randomized in it. This is it for today's video. Yep. Hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.